Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, let's talk about a common problem that many content creators face when trying to determine the creation date of a video. Picture this. You have a video file, but the metadata is missing crucial information like the encoder version, specifically Lavf58.20.100. What do you do in such a scenario? Well, that's the problem we'll be diving into today. Now, let's delve into the solution for our problem. According to FFmpeg's Git history, the libavformat 58.20.100 version was born in March 2022 and made its debut with FFmpeg 5.1 in July 2022. Keep in mind that just because a software update exists doesn't mean everyone rushes to install it, especially in the realm of FFmpeg. This means that your video could have been produced between July 2022 and October 2024. It's a reminder that software timelines don't always align perfectly with real-world usage. Additionally, it's essential to note that libavformat is a muxer, not an encoder, so while it gives insight into the file's production date, it doesn't pinpoint a video's encoding date. In summary, we tackle the pesky problem content creators often encounter deciphering a video's creation date with missing metadata. The solution? Understanding when the Lavf58.20.100 version was released and how it pertains to your video's timeline. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And remember, when in doubt, just keep on creating amazing content.